What's up, ladies and gentlemen? My name's Austin. I'm with Fantasy Motorsports in Northridge here. Today we're taking care of a big bad Titan here. We got the 6-inch lift on it already, the fuel wheels that we did before. Now we are going to be doing a full Avery Dennison satin blue metallic wrap on it. It's gonna come out gorgeous. This is actually for Blake Foster. He's actually one of the original blue Power Rangers from Power Ranger Turbo. So this is a very cool project. We're gonna mimic his truck that he drove in the show. So it's gonna be big, it's gonna be bad, it's gonna be blue. So check it out. We're gonna show you the full process and how we turn this beast. Let's check it. Alright guys, we're also keeping it pushing on this Nissan Titan. We got the fender flares on. Now we are keeping it going with the blue metallic wrap. Coming out very gorgeous, a very beautiful blue color. Really shines in the light. Shadows, it looks gorgeous. Very gorgeous color. Woo! Alright guys, so we just wrapped up this big bad blue Titan here. We got it all wrapped up in the Avery Dennison matte blue metallic for our blue Power Ranger friend. So it looks just like the truck that he drove in the show. Nice, big and tough with the yellow calipers to accent it and the 6-inch lift to make it stand out from the rest. Now we're going to show you the final product. Make sure to hit that little bell so you get all the notifications for all the projects we got going on. Hit that subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one.
Fantasy Motorsports, Motorsports, Fantasy Motorsports, going junior car.